Want to know how to stop sharing location on iPhone without them knowing, or want to change location on iPhone? If yes, this video is for you. Watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the link in description and pin comment, and you can also change location on iPhone. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to stop sharing location without them knowing. Well, we can stop sharing location on iPhones in many ways for free, and one of them is turning on airplane mode. On your home screen, just swipe up or down as per your iOS version to bring control center. Here at top we have airplane icon. Tap on that and icon will turn orange. This indicates that airplane mode is enabled. Alternatively, you can also do it from settings. Just go to settings and toggle on airplane mode from here. Now this will stop sharing location on iPhone with everyone, but there are many disadvantages of using airplane mode, as now we may not be able to use our iPhone normally. So what to do? Well, here is another alternative. We can simply turn off share my location. Simply open settings and go to profile, and from here tap on share my location. Just toggle it off. Now your location on this iPhone will not be shared with anyone. Well, all these work and we can stop sharing location on iPhone without them knowing, but we will be restricted and we may not be able to use many features of apps and games, as nowadays location based functions are very common on iPhone and many apps and games are using them. So what to do now? Well, here I have a perfect solution for that. We can change location on iPhone using the best location changer on iPhone, and that is Tenorshare iAnyGo. The best thing about Tenorshare iAnyGo is that we can freely change GPS location without jailbreak, and this works on all location based apps and games such as Pokemon Go, WhatsApp, or social media apps such as Snapchat and Facebook as well. Using iAnyGo, we can create a customized route or move freely using 2-spot, multi-spot or joystick. This also offers many more advanced features like cooldown timer, historical records, import or export GPX file, and the best thing, it works on up to 15 devices. Wow, that's just fantastic. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free download, and once Tenorshare iAnyGo free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on this to open iAnyGo. Here we have it. So clean and simple UI to get started with, and here we have all the features and capabilities of iAnyGo. We can change iPhone location, make single spot movement, multi-spot movement, or do joystick movement. But today let's know how to change iPhone location. Click on change location and now click on enter. Now we need to connect our iPhone with PC. Once we connect our iPhone using USB, we get trust this computer notification on iPhone. Tap on trust and enter passcode. After this, our iPhone will get connected with the iAnyGo. See, it is connected. Now click on next. iAnyGo will start its process to get connected with our iPhone, and it may take some time. So keep your iPhone unlocked. Once this process is completed, it will show your device current location. And see, here it mentions my current location is Delhi, India. Now let me show you my current location on iPhone, and for that let's open map. Now see, here it shows my current location as Delhi, India. Now let's move to some different place. Let's search for New York. Here it shows many options. Let's select first one, New York, United States. See, our destination location is changed to 245 East 11th Street, New York. Click on start to modify. Now make sure you turn off all your location based application on iOS device. So closing map now. Next, click on continue. Boom, now see, our current location on iPhone is modified and it is 245 East 11th Street, New York, United States. Now let's confirm it by opening map on iPhone. Wow, this shows exact the same location on my iPhone as well. Same way you can change your destination to any place in world. Let's move to Dubai. Close map app and click on start to modify. Boom, our current location on iPhone is changed to Dubai. Now let's confirm it by opening map And see, it is same over here as well. Same way you can change your location to anywhere in the world. Now after changing location on iPhone, we can use any geo-based or restricted apps and their features as well. Wow, is not that fantastic? Do share your views and feedback in comments. So friends, this is how easily you can also change location on iPhone using best location changer on iPhone, and that is Tenorshare iAnyGo. I will highly recommend you to try it out, and if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. Now you may ask, is Tenorshare iAnyGo free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about Tenorshare iAnyGo pricing plans. Here we have different pricing plans for Tenorshare iAnyGo. Choose any of them as per your requirement, and here is an exclusive offer for you. You can get big discounts on Tenorshare softwares with iOS 16 sale promotion. Buy one get one free, extra up to 40% off on many other softwares, or get $5 coupon that can be used on your next order. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in description and pin comment, and you can also try out Tenorshare iAnyGo to change location on iPhone, or you can use those free ways to stop sharing location on iPhone without them knowing, that I have shared at the start of the video. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Have you deleted your photos and want to recover them? If yes, this video is for you. Forgot Android phone password and want to unlock Android phone without password? If yes, this video is for you.